Hey guys, Andrew from MarineMax Boston. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new trade that we took in. It's a 2014 208cc EdgeWater. Starting in the aft of the boat here, we have a Yamaha 150 4-stroke. Plenty of power for this boat to get you up where you need to be. Nice bench seat here. Upholstery's in great shape. Looking forward to the helm. Garmin unit. VHF radio. Switches. Helm seat. Upholstery's in great shape. Making our way forward. Bow cushion. Cooler cushion here. Boat has a small rail up the front. Bolsters on the side. Canvas for the T-top. In great shape. For more information on this boat, give me a call. My name's Andrew with MarineMax Boston.